Are you ready to be a happy leader? I am so excited to share and reveal the cover of my new book, Be a Happy Leader. You can pre-purchase this book at any of your favorite online retailers, and it's going to be in bookstores in January 2022. In this book, you are going to learn how to thrive personally, how to continuously choose happiness and sustain a happy life, how to be the type of boss that everyone wants to work for, and keep all of your employees happy and loyal. And in addition, you're going to learn how to achieve killer business results. So go to happyleaderbook.com right below and pick up your copy of my brand new book. The Be a Happy Leader book bundle is available for you right now, and it includes 3 amazing bonuses. The first is the Be a Happy Leader workbook. You can use it digitally or print it out and use this as you are going through each step of the Be a Happy Leader methodology. There is also a mini course with 9 videos to help you and your team through the Be a Happy Leader journey. And there is a resource kit, which has a list of my book recommendations, podcasts, and TED Talks that are must watches for you to be a happy leader. So go to happyleaderbook.com and grab the book bundle right now.